Hello viewers, welcome back to Gowri's kitchen. Today we are going to see how to make Maharashtrian style Masala Poori. Before going to the video, if you are new to this channel, please do like, share and also subscribe to our channel. Thank you. Now let's see what are the ingredients required for making Maharashtrian style Masala Poori. For making this, let's take 10 garlic pieces, 4 green chilies, small piece of ginger, handful of coriander leaves and handful of mint leaves. We have to grind all these ingredients together. Now let's take a mixing bowl. Add 2 cups of wheat flour. Next we shall add 3 tablespoons semolina, half teaspoon turmeric powder, half teaspoon amchur powder, chili powder 1 teaspoon, jeera powder half teaspoon. Now let's add the grinded paste. Add required amount of salt. Sprinkle some chopped coriander leaves. Now let's mix them well. Knead the dough until the texture becomes soft. Now let's apply oil on top of the dough. Now let's make small balls like this and roll the puri. Add 1 teaspoon oil and rub it on the rolling pin. Now gently roll the puri. Now the oil is hot. Let's drop the puri in it. Flip it to the other side. In the same way, let's make the other puris. It should not be very thick and not too thin. It should be in medium size, and also the oil should be very hot. Then only the puris will instantly blow up. Also, no need any side dish for this recipe. You can just have it as it is without any side dish. Have this recipe and say valuable comments in the comment section below. Thank you.